Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the objects. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. Do anything.
Me, don't record me, but be like, we're here, we're... You gotta be like, we're here in Miami, y'all. But you gotta have energy.
And it's your birthday, so you gotta be like, what's up, y'all? I'm about to show you, I'm gonna show you guys. But you gotta talk
be like,
about
we
it.
Here in Miami, we finally touched down. Like that.
Toes, white toes. Ooh.
These are hard. Too bad I can't fit them. They only $40. The pink ones, they fit too tight on my foot. But these are hard. This store is fire.
Dave's ass is all out in your video. Why don't y'all just room together?
You want a roommate? No, we're gonna have to fight. We have to fight.
to myself when I change the story. Set myself with a lot on my brain. Somehow I get X was
Get into it. My cousin.
My nigga. Alright, dog. What's up? Nigga out here feel better now. I ain't sick and shit. Remember last time I was out here, I couldn't breathe. I was already told, man,
You know, he always got an excuse.
I don't wanna tell you to drop me, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm like, am I Miami? How? Bet you, I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body is silent. My mind, and my heart. My body is silent. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body, so the crazy.
Dalian's not here at this point. And y'all better be not too drunk when we get back.
Ray! 1 minute.
We're here.
It's the...
Wait.
Type shit, so we finna do 3-point shootout? Oh, yeah. I see you. Big vibes. Yeah, you need to get you something like this for real.
We about to be on that trampoline high as fuck. Drunk as fuck.
Great. Oh, that's the end of the... So... There go the dog we was looking for. She killed it.
The dog pound.
This shit big. Bruh. Who room is this? Tony? Who room is this? Who's yours? It was something up there. Who room is this? It's another fridge in here. Y'all hiding the stash in here. What's this? What's in here? Bruh. What? Look at all this. Who way back there? Toby?
I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed. Peachy, we getting some traction. I'm at the page passion. I'm digging her accent. I got a pretty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she like it. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swear they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking.
was popping. Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options.
Yeah, I'm downstairs.
Like Stockton. Just joshing.
Okay, celebrity status.
Where's Day at?
Wow. She too hard. Behind the scenes, Lex, you want to say something to the cam? We in Miami.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the bag and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out for us. Try sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, OVO. I got some gas and I was still got them pass in the whip, call it even though. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the field. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Let me get some get with this skinny flow. I might put me in some big drop. Ain't no bro, you just think that's like getting low. I spent time on the rest on the level with Diddy. Been around the beat, them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna let it go. Got the foot over there with the beard.
Look, it's only Tony and Jig. God damn, you got comfortable. I don't know what he was watching, but.
Who turned this on? Ain't nobody from Cali in this bitch. Right. Straight up, let's see, straight up. Hey.
Go Ray. Go Ray. Go Ray.
I'm big on boomerangs. Everybody start in.
Okay.
And then on 3, pull away.
Go for this.
Hold on. Let me go. 1, 2, 3.
Salud.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We all in here. You got Kaya, you got Ray in the back, doing her own thing, she's doing her thing. You got Jay. Here you go, babe. So you can wear it tonight.
Come on, you old. No, I ain't saying it like that. I was saying, but she 8 months older than me, so that's why I was saying it like that.
Okay. Really nice. Really nice. Oh.
Not you, babe. Come on now. Come on. I'll just put it on.
I
Come
got
on.
a photographer out here. You know, you gotta get everything. You finna drop this on the tube?
What cabinet?
That nigga still in there taking that shit, probably.
Anybody see my class?
Nah, nigga, we thought you had that on you, nigga.
Not the
Nigga,
flash.
you been walking around with that bitch all day.
It was shit right
take the Apple Watch off.
Yeah. I don't know how do you wear it. I don't know. What is this way? Okay.
Yeah, she put that bit on like when he was a naturally.
There you go.
You go get a wig taken. You go get some wigs taken up.
Thank you. You got big
Bad bitch, fuck it up. Bitch took the toe, like,
But yeah, you can get that bit. You can
I
go
kinda
to
wanna
like a
take
watch
another
store
shot.
and get
I don't know, babe. I can't wear it. It's a little big.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. On no little tricks in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face, and they
go, baby.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. LCC, let's have the page. I used to see hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go pay. Ain't about to die with no money out of gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap, make it sauce in a box. I don't wanna change, cause I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word of Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in it.
It's a strange beat.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas come looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, come suck a bitch toe. Pound town, just left Pound town.
Hey yo, Red, my name is Pink. I made him go get that ink. Let him eat it pretty pussy, now he keep trying to link. I'm pimpin' Pinky Ring, his ex is a smanky dink. I'm about to pop a thingy, then slip on his jinky drink. Get the grip, with my bitches dip. Nigga with my tip, I'm a flip, like 100 grips. Get back on my lip, I'm a bitch. I want fish and grits, throwing hissy fit. I'm talking about chicken when I jerk it with my tip. I be twerking on that tip, cause I'm slurping every tip. When I bind it, choke his neck or missionary doing splits.
Hello, girl, guess who baby daddy popping they pussy in my motherfucking DM?
Anyway,
In Miami, how?
Get low on this pockets, I'm picking them up. We come from the bottom together, my nigga, we get it, we splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm sending this shit like a toilet, little nigga so nasty, I've never been flushed. Bulletproof ravens, we came with a kid on it. The shit that you like, it can get you spit on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on it. Throw my hand, I had to go flips on it. He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak, we keeping it street. We keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it cost? It never been cheap. It never been turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up.
All these bitches trying to get hit. Make a whole wet. Looking at diamonds on my neck and on my wrist. Niggas ain't bullshit. Walk through the club with an F and N in this bitch. Treat it like Ray J. She wanna talk to the.
Not a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes, Jimmy Choo? What a head they took, baby, she make you smile. She ain't used to shit. I'm just living, could've been the way I put my lip. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got shoe like Louis at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope. If y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that pussy stop. Then the course is good.
My back, so for the rip round. Oh my, my neck, my back. My neck, my back. My neck, my back. My neck, my back.
Don't play with him.
My neck, my back.
I jumped in the pool
No,
with
you
it.
ain't jumping in the pool. Let me see, bro.
He got the content on his
Let
camera.
me see. Go, bro. Go back. Go.
Hey, wait.
Lord have mercy.
Oh my God, nigga, no. Hey.
God.
What?
Oh shit. Oh shit, nigga. Oh shit. Hey, nigga.
Trey, that's not the pool, baby. That's not the pool, baby.
No, I jumped in the pool. For
No,
real.
the pool over there. Trey, the pool over there.
I know.
That's not the pool.
I know.
Who is that? Oh, they boys. They got him. There you. Hey!
Hey, like that nigga say Auntie Val boys, Trevon. Trevon.
Yo! This. That boy swimming. Hey, them goggles or shades?
Hey,
Shades, man.
Not the goggles.
Oh my
Who is
God.
that?
Hey, Kevin over that bitch like the Little Mermaid right now.
Hey, Little Mermaid.
We in the pool with
It's
it,
cold.
man.
It's hot. It's warm.
Yeah, it's actually warm.
It's heated though.
That been heated pool.
I'm about to get in there.
Fuck it.
I'm damn near for the
That
hop
been
in that
really
bitch.
warm.
I'm about to hop in that bitch.
Yeah.
My hair not getting wet, but I'm about to hop in that bitch.
Hey, that been warm.
Steam, man. Look at that. That nigga got some steam coming off his shirt.
That's
I'm
fuck.
about to hop in that bitch. Tom. Hey, let's hop in that bitch.
Oh my God.
Come on, Tom. Hey, Tom.
Bruh,
Tom.
bruh.
Let's hop in that bitch.
Bruh, get out my face, bro.
I ain't. Who that? Why this nigga got jeans on? Bro, jeans, we gotta get in, bro. You got the wicks, bro.
Hey,
that bitch warm.
No damn hair hurt from laughing, boy. That shit was so damn funny.
Y'all ain't see them just jump in the pool? Did y'all? Let me see a trick. Damn right, that ass fat. God damn. Daylene. Darlene. Babe, how you say it? Babe, how you say her name? Darlene. Can I get in? Oh shit! Darlene. 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 Hearts. Babe, have her go to bed.
We gotta take our shoes off?
Look at all them. Look at all them. Ray got her hair out, y'all. Yeah. Ray done took the thing off her head. Oh yeah, y'all see us. Y'all see us. They looking like she cold and shit. Man, I see you on that gang shit. Gang, yeah. That's how it goes.
Round 2,
Hey, round 3. Ray.
Why she got her ass? Hey, let me get out. You gonna smack it.
Oh, y'all got them toes out, huh? Did you find it? It's in one of them bags. Because I don't know where the fuck is it.
Hey, direct me to the bathroom.
Tell him to get.
You okay, babe?
Get your ass out of here. This nigga drinking a beer.
Yeah, what the fuck? Hey, I feel like it go with the outfit.
Don't sandwiches. We're all gonna take a drop. Okay?
Look at it.
The name's Captain Buck, and I'm here to fuck. All right, y'all do a boomerang for me.
Y'all in Miami.
It's crazy cause I'm nasty too. Hold up in the book this room. I'm trying to see what she gon' do. Get nasty for. She told me what that mouth gon' do. All the space up in this room. I'm finna put this dick on you. Get nasty for me. She doing tricks all in this bitch. Squirting all up on my shit. I love how she taking it. Get nasty for me. She got me in here fucking slow. Pull it out then going slow. Choke her her toes. Get nasty for me. She screaming, I'm all in her shit. Can't forget to suck the clit.
Oh, get nasty for me.
You want your chain?
Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I could put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hoppin'. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just jogging. Spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell what it is. But you got me going crazy. Cause you is so amazing. How long can you go? Baby, that last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but
Not the peaky.
The Bel Air?
my neck, my back, so my back, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, so my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my Coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down. There goes my. Coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down. There goes my.
Black girl, if you 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 black. Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you
JP, my neck, my back, so my butter brown. My neck, my back, my back.
That shit like that.
I sick of her shit. Goddamn it.
Why you cover her shit like
Hey man, that bitch was fucking with me. Alright, bet. I'm gonna twist your nipple. I'm gonna fucking touch my
Bro,
ass.
that shit was the funniest shit
I'm
ever.
a grown ass man, goddamn it. You need to be touching me like this. What the fuck?
Bro, that shit, I was like, that's not how you cup the titty. You supposed to just grip the little nipple, the hard part, and you're just supposed to slowly roll it like this.
Girl, first of all,
Lick it maybe in between.
I know how to touch titties, but I'm gonna squeeze her shit every time. I don't give a fuck about none of that. She about to get her whole titty twisted.
Oh my God.
The Fritos. The Fritos. I'm gonna twist that shit.
Barbecue or regular version?
Fuck that bitch.
Yes,
Say
shut
less. The fact that my baby cousin got me over here drinking this liquor like this. That shit nasty.
I'm fucking done.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way.
What you gotta say to the people, Kevin, before you start? This
I want to thank my mom. Happy birthday to Alexis Prince.
Wait. Okay, we don't need the words. You need it? I got you. I need the words. I need the words. I got you. Let's go.
Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't change. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. I'm in critical condition.
What, Breeze?
I need that grease.
Man, we out, man. This the end of the vlog, man. It's been real. We out.